Good afternoon, dear friends, and welcome back to the channel. Do your indoor plants look weak, grow slowly, or seem to have tiny flies around the soil? Today I'll show you a simple garlic-based method that can be used as an occasional part of your indoor plant care routine. Garlic contains natural sulfur compounds and other plant compounds that have traditionally been used in gardening as a pest deterrent ingredient. First, take 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and add it to 1 liter of hot water, making sure the water is no hotter than 60 degrees Celsius. Stir well and allow the mixture to cool completely. Then strain it carefully. Before applying, make sure the potting soil is slightly moist. Pour a small amount of the garlic water directly onto the soil around the base of the plant. Avoid getting the solution on the leaves. You can use this method with many common indoor plants, including snake plants, pothos, peace lilies, spider plants, orchids, African violets, money plants, and other houseplants. For extra caution, test the solution on one plant first and observe how it responds. Avoid applying concentrated garlic powder directly to the soil because too much may irritate sensitive roots. Use the garlic water only occasionally, about once every 3 to 4 weeks, rather than as a daily fertilizer or pest treatment. Remember, this is a simple home gardening method, not a guaranteed treatment for fungus gnats, pesty, or plant diseases. Good drainage, proper watering, and clean potting soil are also important for keeping indoor plants healthy. If you found this tip helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other indoor plant lovers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next gardening video.